Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Monzo account to your Revolut account. First, open the Monzo app on your phone and sign in. Once you're inside, tap the Payments tab from the menu at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see several options. Choose Make a Bank Transfer. If your Revolut account is based outside the UK, you might need you might need to select Transfer Internationally instead. Next, select your recipient. If you don't see your Revolut account listed, tap Add a new recipient and manually enter your Revolut bank details, including account number, sort code, or IBAN if required. After that, type in the amount you want to send, choose the date, and review all the details carefully. When everything looks correct, confirm the transfer and verify your identity if prompted. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from your Monzo account to your Revolut account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.